The winter breeze brushed against Ayaan's face as he stood on the rooftop of his small apartment. The sky burned orange, the last sunset of 2025 painting the city in gold. People below were shopping, laughing, preparing for New Year celebrations, but Ayaan felt none of it. His life hadn't moved the way he expected. He had planned to start a business. He had promised to get fit. He had sworn to read more, hustle more, and become a better version of himself. But the year slipped away, and now only regret echoed in his chest. He whispered, "I wasted another year, maybe I'm just not meant for big things." That sentence hurt more than any failure. As the clock struck 12 a.m., fireworks exploded across the sky. The world welcomed 2026, but Ayaan sat quietly on his bed scrolling his phone. Suddenly, a message popped up from his old college friend, Saad, someone known for his unstoppable ambition. It read, "Bro, Happy New Year. Restart. Rebuild. Refocus. 2026 is wide open." Simple words, but they hit Ayaan like a shockwave. Saad wasn't someone who sugarcoated reality. If he believed in restarting, maybe it wasn't too late. Ayaan typed, "But what if I fail again?" Saad replied instantly, "Failing again is still better than not trying again." Ayaan sat up straight. Something inside him awakened. The next morning, Ayaan stood in front of the mirror. His hair was messy, his face tired, eyes dull from stress and self-doubt. But for the first time in months, he didn't look away. He asked himself out loud, "Who do I want to be at the end of 2026? Not what do people want from me, not what if I fail, but who do I want to be?" He wrote 3 goals on a small sticky note. 1. Start my small digital design business. 2. Get physically stronger. 3. Read 12 books in 12 months. They looked simple, but they were enough to restart his life. On January 3rd, Ayaan woke up early with excitement, until reality hit. His laptop was slow. His savings were low. His mind kept saying, "You can't do this." But he remembered something Saad used to say in college, "The mind lies. Action tells the truth." So Ayaan forced himself to start. He opened YouTube and spent 3 hours watching tutorials on freelancing. He created a rough workspace in his room using boxes as a desk. He designed 3 sample logos for imaginary clients. None of them looked perfect. But they existed, and that was a start. By the second week of January, Ayaan gathered all his courage and uploaded his portfolio to a freelancing site. The first client he applied to replied within an hour. Ayaan's hopes shot up. But the message said, "Not good enough for what I need." His heart sank. He stared at the message for a long time. Old thoughts returned, "You're not skilled enough. You're not meant for this. Just quit." But then he took a deep breath. "Rejection is direction," he whispered. He decided not to quit. Not this time. One cold evening, Ayaan went to a small neighborhood cafe to think. As he opened his laptop, an elderly man beside him smiled and asked, "Working on something big?" Ayaan hesitated but replied, "Trying to start a freelance business, but I don't know if I'll succeed." The old man laughed gently. "You know what success is? A stubborn refusal to quit." Ayaan looked at him, confused. The man continued, "Everyone wants success. Few can survive the discomfort that comes before it." Those words felt like a forgotten truth. Before leaving, the man added, "Do something every day that your future self will thank you for." That night, Ayaan worked for 5 straight hours, improving his designs. On February 10th, Ayaan woke up to a notification, "Client has placed an order." His heart raced. It was a small job, just $20 for a simple banner design, but to him, it felt like winning a medal. He worked on the project for 8 hours straight, perfecting every detail. When he submitted it, the client responded, "This is excellent. I want to hire you again." Ayaan felt a fire inside him. The restart was working. By March, Ayaan had completed 5 small projects. But one goal still scared him, getting fitter. So he started small, very small. Just 10 push-ups, and a 15-minute walk. It wasn't impressive, but it was consistent. Within a month, he was doing 40 push-ups a day. His energy increased. His mood improved. His confidence started rising. For the first time in years, he felt in control of his life. By June, Ayaan's life looked completely different. He had 12 repeat clients. He was earning weekly. His body was stronger. He had finished 5 books. He wasn't a millionaire. He wasn't a fitness model. He wasn't famous. But he was becoming the version of himself he always imagined. And that was worth everything. Life tested him again in August. His laptop stopped working in the middle of an important project. Ayaan felt like crying. All progress seemed to collapse in a second. He rushed to the repair shop, but they told him it would take 1 week. He sat outside the shop, frustrated and defeated. But then he remembered, restart. Refocus. So he took out his notebook and wrote, plan next business step. Learn new design techniques on his phone. Organize finances. Outline YouTube ideas for future projects. Even with no laptop, he stayed productive. This time, he refused to break. When his laptop finally came back, Ayaan attacked his goals with a new level of discipline. He redesigned his entire portfolio. He messaged old clients. He created a new pricing structure. Within 2 weeks, he landed a $300 project, the biggest of his life. He realized something powerful: growth happens when you don't stop, even when everything goes wrong. By December 2026, Ayaan stood again on the same rooftop where he felt hopeless a year ago. But this time, he was different. He wasn't perfect. He wasn't rich. He wasn't done. But he was proud. Proud of not giving up. Proud of restarting. Proud of rebuilding. Proud of refocusing. He whispered into the cold wind, 2026 didn't change me. I changed myself. And that was the true victory. Final motivational message. Life does not reset on its own. You reset it. You restart. You refocus. You rise again. You rebuild piece by piece. Because a new year doesn't change your life. Your courage to begin again does.